Welcome friends, welcome to JCE Connect. Now this is the second derivation of aerial photogrammetry where we are going to see the length of line between the points of different elevation from measurement on a vertical photograph. If you see this, we are having two objects here on the ground, that is, this is object A and this is object B. Now you are supposed to determine the distance between these two objects A and B. That you are supposed to do by using the photograph here, by using the photograph and the coordinate on that photograph. Now this is the object, or this is how you are going to do here, right, in this derivation, how to determine the distance between two different elevated objects by using a vertical photograph. Now you can see that this, I can show you this figure how it is. See, we are having two different points here. This is point A and this is point B. Now the distance between the ground and the datum is, here this is HA and here the projection will be HA, here also it is HA and here it is HB. Now I just drawn this with respect to the x coordinate and with respect to the y coordinate. Now you can see that here these things here, this is capital XA and capital YA are the ground coordinates of point A, and capital K is the principal ground point of point A. Similarly, here for point B, you will be having capital XB and capital YB are the ground coordinates with respect to point B. Similarly, this KB is the principal point of ground point B. Now same things are going to be there projected in the photograph. You can see that this is A is projected here and it will be having a Y coordinate, right? So these y coordinates are from here to here it is YA, right, and here to here it is XA. So you'll be having, see this, with respect to A you will be having XA and YA, and with respect to B, here this is the point B and it is having a YB distance from the principal line, and here this is XB, right, and here you will be having a K which is the principal point of a photograph, and O is the exposure station. The difference between O and K is F. The distance between O and the datum, right, here this is H, and these distances already I have told you here, HA and HB. Now by referring these things, you are supposed to get the distance between the 2 points A and B. Now in short, I'll tell you that how to get that. See, you can have two triangles here, right? This is one triangle and here also you'll be having one triangle. Now by using Pythagoras, see here what you are going to get, what will be this side. Here this side is, here I'll show you, here this side it is square root of that is xb square plus yb square, right? This is the distance of B to the principal point, right? And similarly here you can see that this you can do here, this is KA, this point and this point. What will be this? By using Pythagoras, it is going to be, see here I'll be writing it here, it is going to be square root of, that is XA square plus YA square. Now if you add these two, right, you will be getting the total distance. Here you can see that, I'll show you here, if you add, see this is your total distance. So how to get that will be given in the derivation. Now here you can see that A and B are the ground points, having HA and HB are the heights above the datum, and coordinates as capital XAYA and capital XBYB representative the respective ground coordinates, and you will be having that is photographic coordinates also, x and y. See here with respect to x and y axis you will be having small x and small y. So that also I have written here. The let small a and b be the corresponding point of a photograph, that is small x a y a, small x b y b are the representative coordinates of a photograph. Now from similar triangles, now see what you are going to have, OK divided by OKA, that is small xa divided by capital XA. I'll show you in the figure. Now here I'll be having, see that, uh, that is small xa divided by capital XA, small ya divided by capital YA, that equals to f divided by capital H minus small ha. This we are going to take it as what, equation 1, right? This is our equation 1. Now similarly you will be having xb divided by capital XB, small yb divided by capital YB. You will be having f divided by capital H minus small h. This is equation 2. Now we are having, see this, what we are having, we are having, now if you compare these two terms, right, so what you are going to write, this capital XA is equal to H minus HA divided by F into small xa. Similarly YA is equal to H minus HA divided by F into small YA. So these are the ground coordinates. How to get the ground coordinates? Once if you get the ground coordinates, it will be very easy to get the remaining things. Now here see this, capital XB, similarly capital XB is equal to capital H minus small hb divided by F into XB, small xb. Similarly YB is equal to capital H minus small hb divided by F into YB. Now in general the ground coordinates capital X and capital Y of any 2 points at any elevation are, in general, see, x is equal to H minus H divided by F into small x, y equals to H minus small h divided by F into small y. The length between the 2 points A and B can be given by, see, this is the formula, that is L is equal to square root of xa minus xb square plus ya minus yb square. As I said that, right, you can get that done, right, you can get that done formula here. It is a similar one, so you'll be having by Pythagoras also, you can get that. I told you there only, no, so it is like this, see, it is like this, just like this, right. Here you will be having point A, here you will be having point B, right. So this distance you can get, this is your L, this is L, and that equals to, this is L, that equals to what, square root of xa minus xb square plus ya minus yb square. Now once again I will show you that, see here, this is xa, this is xb, this is yb, and this, what is this, as I said that this is square root of xb square plus yb square, right. And here if you see, this is xa and this is ya. Now if you add that here, that is square root of, that is xa square plus ya square, right here. Now in general term you can write that, that is square root of xa minus xb whole square plus ya minus yb whole square, right. So this is what you have to get. See, this is very important equation is there, so just keep in mind, remember this equation, and please try to practice this diagram. This is very important, this figure is very important. Try to practice this figure so that you can easily justify, or you can easily write down the remaining things. Now below this figure, see, it is a very important note that they have mentioned here. If you see this, it's very important note they have given, that is the value of capital XA and capital XB, capital YA and capital YB must be substituted with their respective or the proper algebraic sign, then only it is possible to get the length. There may be change in the algebraic signs as you go on calculating, right, there may be change in the algebraic signs, so you have to keep sure that you will be adding the things or substituting the things with respect to the algebraic sign. Now this is what I'll be having here. I am Professor Basab Jamada. Thank you.